President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on his birth anniversary, which is observed as Parakram Divas. External Affairs Minister J. Shankar says US prioritized bilateral relationships, keen on India's presence at inaugural. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has set a target of reaching 10,000 geographical indication tags by 2030. The government has decided to increase the minimum support price of road jute for marketing season 2025-26. A total of 26 W from various states, union territories and union ministries are set to present the diversity of the country and cultural inclusiveness during the 76th Republic Day Parade.